हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम सीखेंगे एलएम स्टूडियो को यूज़ करना। डाउनलोड फॉर विंडोज़ और लिनक्स और मैक जो भी आपके पास हो, यू कैन फाइंड इट देयर। डाउनलोड हो चुका है। नाउ वी विल इंस्टॉल इट। Okay, so you have options to install it for anyone who uses this computer that will require administrator access, or it is either for only for me. So I will be using anyone who use this. Okay, so it is asking for path, and well, I don't like to install everything in my C drive, but currently I do have storage, so I will be using it. So lms install. I will be using this path to install the LM Studio. You can leave it as the default path also, but I like to keep them organized. Then I click install. Okay, and then we have this run LM Studio. Okay, we will skip the documentation for now. These are new features. Okay, so now we are in the LM Studio. Now we need to download any model. It is like a good practice to check for your system hardware to check what models can your system run. Okay, but LM Studio already provides that. I will first change the download and the models directly, so then I can check how much space and what is taking it. Okay, so I will be using C and L models. Select it. Okay, models directly. Now we will search. Okay, so the best one that I think is applicable for most of the people is Gamma 3 1 billion parameter. Gamma 3 1B. We can install it by directly downloading it. It is a 720 MB model and it is a 1 billion parameter model. Google does offer some 270 million parameters model, but they are like not just good. It takes some time to download. You can also check the downloads progress here. Okay, so download is completed. We can check our models here, and now I will show you. Very easy to use it offline. Just click on select a model to load. Click on your model. You can also change its parameters like this: context length and GPU upload. I have a 3050 Ti laptop GPU, so it supports full model upload. And we can also set context length. So take using more context means it will use more RAM or video. Okay. Well, advanced settings are not for everyone. We will just load model. Okay, and yes, it is now loaded. So we will just I this is the real time speed. Okay, so it generated 45 total tokens in 0.08 seconds for the first token and 80.47 tokens per second is the speed. So thanks for watching.